Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn Abacus Teacher's Training Book, page number 4. We know that Abacus should be held by left hand, last two finger and thumb. And after each sum, it's mandatory to clear the Abacus. And calculation must be started from the middle dot. This is called ones or units place. Now we are going to learn on ones place how to use thumb and finger. On ones place, when we take the beads up, we use right hand thumb, and when we take it down, we use right hand index finger. For upper bead also, when we take it down, we use finger, and when we take it up, we use right hand thumb. So how to remember? Thumb up, finger down, thumb up, finger down. Now we are going to learn question number A, F and I. But when you solve other questions and you get doubt, you can write in comment. So question number A, 4 minus 1 minus 2. Now we see on answer bar we can see only one bead, so answer is 1. And clear the abacus. Question number F, 3 5 minus 2. So here we can see one upper bead and one lower bead, so answer is 6. Question number I, 5 2 and minus 5. On answer bar we can see two lower beads, so answer is 2. Now we are going to learn single digit shortcut method. We know this is 5 and 1 means it is 6. But for 6 we use thumb and finger together. That is called shortcut method. This is 6 minus 6, 7 minus 7, 8 minus 8, 9 minus 9. Now we solve question L, M and Q. Question number L, 7 1 1. So answer is 9. 8 1 minus 5. Here we can see 4 lower beads, so answer is 4. Question number Q, 7 minus 1 minus 1. Here we can see one upper bead, so answer is 5. While doing calculations, don't leave the pencil. And I made a separate video for that, how to hold the pencil for right-handed people and left-handed people.